It's nighttime in the city, and the skyline is waiting for your magic. Imagine stars twinkling above, the moon glowing bright, windows shining like gems, and fireworks bursting with color. What if fairy lights were draped across the rooftops, or giant glowing lanterns floated in the sky? Now it's your turn. Create the most magical skyline ever. Pause the video now and decorate your skyline with stars, lights, and colors that sparkle. High above the city, something amazing is happening. A superhero zooms past your skyscraper. Cape flowing, eyes glowing, faster than the wind. Are they chasing a villain? Saving someone in danger? Or just patrolling the city to keep everyone safe? Now it's your turn. Write a story about this superhero's adventure past your skyscraper. Pause the video and let your imagination fly. When you are finished, click play to continue. Now imagine if you were a superhero. What would make you famous? Maybe every time you save someone, you hand them a candy to make them smile. Or maybe your superpower is bursting the evil bubbles of troublemakers and making those villains march around the city with signs that say, "Be kind" or "Always share." You could be the hero everyone cheers for, not just because of your powers, but because of your fun and silly way of spreading kindness. Write about the special power that would make you famous, and then design your superhero costume in the box. Pause the video now and start writing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Imagine designing your very own dream house. Would it be tall like a skyscraper, cozy like a cabin, full of neighbors like an apartment house, tiny but clever like a little house, or grand like a mansion? But wait, what if your dream house was something totally silly, like a giant cupcake house with frosting on the roof? Or a castle made of pillows you can bounce on? Or a tree house floating on a cloud? There are no limits. Your dream house could be anything you imagine. Pause now, grab your pencil or crayons, and draw the house of your dreams. When you are finished, click play to continue. If your dream house had a garden, what would you grow in it? Maybe you'd plant bright sunflowers, or juicy tomatoes to pick for sandwiches and salads. Perhaps fresh herbs like mint or basil, filling the air with their smell. Or even a fruit tree, giving you apples, oranges, or peaches to enjoy. Plants make a garden beautiful and useful. Grab your pencil and write about one plant you'd love to grow. Then draw your special plant in the box. Pause the video now and start writing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Thanks for joining us on today's writing adventure. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from Creative Writing Adventure series. Don't forget to download your free writing worksheets in the description below. Until next time, keep writing, keep imagining, and keep making real-world impact.